I'm going to guide you on how to watch YouTube videos while using other apps. If you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Now, as you can see, I'm on YouTube and also I'm on Imo here. So in order to watch YouTube videos while using other apps, I'm just going to close this one first. Then you will need to go to your phone settings, open your phone settings, then go to search, then search for picture in picture. So you are going to see it there, picture in picture. So tap on it. Then it will land you here. So these are the apps that you can enable to use while using other apps. So if you scroll down, you are going to see YouTube at the very bottom. So tap on it. Then ensure that you have allowed picture in picture on this feature for YouTube. So once you've done that, you will now go and open your YouTube. Then once you are on your YouTube, you are just going to slide your screen on the left. Then as you can see on the left side of the screen, there are some other apps. So you can choose the app that you want to use while watching YouTube. And if the app that you want to use is not here, you are just going to tap at the bottom there. Then you can search the name of the app there on search apps. Then you can select the app that you want to use. Let's say if you want to use Brave. Then you can use Brave while watching YouTube. So that's simply it, guys. That's how you can watch YouTube videos while using other apps. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider to leave a like and to subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much and have a nice time.